Hello there, you're invited. I'm Karen Russo, the author of The Money Keys, and we are inviting you to Lead Your Money 2020, Friday, March 27th in beautiful Tucson, Arizona.
And I am Karen Fisher, Senior Loan Officer with Summit Funding, and I am super excited to be able to extend this invitation to you because what I know is that a lot of people make New Year's resolutions. We're doing this at the end of the first quarter so that we can make sure that you hit your goal. This event is for you if you are a business owner or a professional who is looking to grow your revenues and make sure that your bottom line is what you want it to be and that your money is working as hard for you as you are for it.
Yes. So we're really excited because Karen and I have a nice combination of attention to leadership strategy, sales, top line, growth, mindset, as well as all of the stewardship expenses, excellence, and structure so that, yes, you're going to accelerate how you make and keep money, but you're also going to be smarter about the strategies for funding, saving, and moving forward. You'll see that we're going to include topics like how do you create a fresh strategy that's relevant for you right now? How do you identify and eliminate emotional blocks? And you know what? We all have them. So even subtle things that are in the way of you pricing aggressively, making good decisions, feeling confident, we're going to work with that. And we're going to be teaching you practical tools that you can use every week so that you're focused for productivity, but you're also set up to be a really satisfied and effective leader ongoing. And I'm thrilled because Karen's got a lot of those stewardship elements in place.
And if we take it to that next step, think of this. We're also looking at your numbers. There's certain ways, depending upon what you do with the investments in your business, depending upon how those are classified, it can either help you or hurt you as far as your bottom line once your time to file your tax returns. Yeah. And so it's really, we're super excited to bring both sides of the elements so that you've got your money, once again, working as hard for you as you are for it.
Yes. So all the details.
So please join us. Bring a friend if you think that this is right for them. The date of the event is March the 27th. We are going to have registration and check-in right at 8:30. We will start promptly at 9 and we will go to 12:30, of which we will then have a lunch. And you'll be able to implement step one because the key for all of this is the speed of implementation.
Yeah. So we're excited to see you there. You can see all the details for getting registered. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and we look forward to you leading your money.
And last but not least, without meaning to step over this, but last but not least, I just need to tell you the location. It will be held in the Summit Funding Classroom, which is located at 5151 East Broadway Boulevard, Suite 700. That's the 7th floor of the 5151 building, Broadway and Rosemont.
And we are excited that you're going to join us.